This is our Shark Navigator vacuum. Busy family of 5 here. Doing a quick, showing you how it works. My fiance is going to be using the vacuum slowly on our big carpet in our living room. We have 4 cats, so really try to keep it clean as much as we can. This vacuum does a very good job. As you see earlier, I showed you that the canister is empty. She's going to vacuum the whole rug here and see how much we can get up. We really love this vacuum. It does wonders. Really good investment. And you see there, highly recommend it.